Hello everyone and welcome to my vlog. Today's vlog is in Meadowhall, which is a shopping centre in the West Yorkshire region in England. So this video is actually from December time, but I didn't manage to upload earlier. So in the shopping centre there was lots of different ice creams. There were some nice ones that were shaped like mangoes, which were a mango flavour, and there were some other different ones as well, and here are the different toppings for the ice creams, for the cone ice creams. This one was at a place called Snowflake, so they sell gelato. Quite liked these decorations in the shopping centre. They were hanging from the ceiling. So this was the Lindt chocolate shop. There was a massive teddy bear outside of the shop. I wasn't sure if that was actually made of chocolate or if it was just a prop. But they had a lot of different Lindt chocolates in different variations. So you have a lot of gift packages here. These are small bears shaped chocolates. And then you have the normal bar chocolates in different flavours. They even had a chili one. They had salted caramel, cranberry and hazelnut. There was mint chocolate, orange chocolate, and then also a range of assorted Lindt chocolate. So you had the original red one and the strawberry and cream one, which is really nice. It's a good combination. You got the white chocolate and also a pistachio one. So in this shop you can select and mix and match different Lindt chocolates and create your own selection box. There was a huge variety here, and you could also choose the shape of the box as well that you wanted and which box you wanted. They also had some pre-packaged gifts, so this was quite nice because it had a selection of different items. So it had chocolate, it had some type of chocolate spread, and these ones just have a mixture of different flavours. They were packaged up very nicely. I like the red bow that's added on there. It adds a nice special touch. There were also some tin gift boxes. The shop was very busy at the time we had visited. Next we went to a Japanese store. So this store had lots of cute key rings in different shapes, colours and sizes. And it also had a lot of nice cute plushies. And the best bit was a variety of different snacks. So they had moonlight cookies, different type of biscuits, and sweets and crisps. These were quite cool. They were mochis, and there were different flavoured mochis containing different fillings. And that's it for today. Please remember to like and subscribe for more. Thank you.